Hello students, today we will going to discuss our next article, that is additive nature of electric charge. Now, what do we understand by the additive nature of electric charge? Now, according to the additive nature of electric charge, the total charge on a system is algebraic sum of all the charges which are present at different parts of the system. For example, let us consider a system. This is a system of n bodies or particles. This system having n bodies or maybe n particles. This is our first body having charge Q1, second body or particle having charge Q2, third body having charge Q3, and so on, the nth body having charge Qn. Then, according to the definition of the additive nature of electric charge, the total charge on this system is, now consider the total charge on this system is Q. So according to the definition, the total charge on this system is Q, and Q is equal to the charge on the first body plus charge on the second body plus charge on the third body plus and up to so on charge on the nth body. And this is also known as the law of superposition of electric charge. Law of superposition of electric charge. Law of superposition of electric charge. Now, we will discuss the additive nature of electric charge with the help of another definition, with the help of second definition, and this second definition is, according to the additive nature of electric charge, the total charge on a body is the algebraic sum of all the charges which are provided to the body. This is the second definition of the additive nature of electric charge. In first definition, we will take a system, and in our second definition, we will take a body. Now, let us consider this is a body and if we give charge Q1 from outside to this body, then this body gain this charge and the total charge on the body, let it is Q, and Q is equal to Q1. Now, if we also give some more charge, that is Q2, to this body, it again gain this charge. Now the total charge is Q1 plus Q2. And again we give charge Q3 to this body, then the total charge is Q1, Q2, Q3. Now up to so on we are going to provide the charge to this body. At last we give the Qn charge to this body. Then the total charge is Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 up to so on Qn. So this is Q. It is the total charge on the body, and this total charge is equal to the algebraic sum of all the charges which are provided to this body from the outside. This is also the definition of the additive nature of electric charge. Now, again, let us consider second example, a body, and let we give it charge Q1 from outside, then the total charge, this is Q, and let this charge Q1 is equal to 1 coulomb. Then total charge on the body Q is equal to 1 coulomb. And we give again Q2 charge to this body and let it is 2 coulomb. Then the total charge on the body is 1 coulomb plus 2 coulomb, that is 3 coulomb. Now the total charge on the body is 3 coulomb. Now third time we again give some charge to this body. Now at this time we will give it Q3 charge, which is equal to minus 1 coulomb. So therefore the total charge is plus minus 1 coulomb. So this Q will be equal to 1 coulomb plus 2 coulomb minus 1 coulomb is equal to, that is 2 coulomb. Therefore Q is equal to 2 coulomb. So when there is a very special note, that is, while taking the algebraic sum of the charges, then their sign, positive or negative, must be taken into account. मतलब जब भी हम चार्जेस का algebraic sum करते हैं तो उनके पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव साइन को भी हमें कंसीडर करना चाहिए. So here, students, we explain the additive nature of electric charge with the help of two definitions. First definition is, that is, the total charge on a system is the algebraic sum of all the charges present at the different parts of the system. Here we consider a system. And in our second definition, the total electric charge on a body is the algebraic sum of all the charges which are provided to the body from the outside. Here we consider the system, here we consider the body. So that's all about our this article, that is additive nature of electric charge. Students, thank you very much.